Hi, I'm Henry Arce, the garden chef, and today we're going to show you how to fillet a fish and make a fish stock. Also, I have some kingfish we caught and I'm going to smoke it. And I tell everyone about how I float a potato in salt water to use for a brine on my fish. And everyone goes, wow, that's kind of crazy. So I'm going to show you it actually works and it's really easy to do. So what I have is a pot of cold water, and I've already put, this is 1.5 pounds of salt. I've already put that in the water. I'm going to take my potato, one medium-sized potato. As you see, it sinks all the way to the bottom of the pot. So as we add the salt, salt makes water buoyant. And as I add the salt, I know that it's going to take about at least 2 pounds of salt to do this, which is a ton of salt. And I use a whip to dissolve it. And as I whip it around, the potato starts to float. So I'm probably going to need a little bit more. So that float, you can see the potatoes in there rolling around, floating around, not just sitting on the bottom. So I'll add a little more. I mean, it seems like a lot of salt, which it is, but you're only going to leave this fish in the brine for about half an hour max, maybe even 15 minutes. So now you see that potato, as the salt dissolves, it's starting to float up to the top. And that's pretty much it. My potato's floating around. It's not sitting on the bottom. I got enough salt. Now I'm going to pour this over the fish, take the potato out, keep the potato and use it. And we're just going to soak that all over this fish. And completely submerge your fish in this brine. There you go. That's that. I'm going to take that and make sure I got it all the way in there. And that's going to get our fish where we want it. That's it. About a half hour, you take it out, rinse the salt off. Put whatever rubs, whatever spices, whatever you want to put on it. We're going to put it in a smoker. Smoke it about 225 degrees for about an hour. We'll see how it turns out.